Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to unsubscribe from all marketing emails coming from Airbnb. So if you're receiving a ton of different emails from Airbnb and you don't want to receive them anymore, let me show you how to unsubscribe from those emails. Simply click the three lines on the upper right hand side and go to your account settings. On the left hand side, click on notification and scroll down towards the bottom and you'll find this option that says unsubscribe from all marketing emails. Just check this box guys, then click on unsubscribe. What this is going to do is literally turn off all the notifications that you can find under this offers and update section, and you will not receive this anymore. Alternatively, if you want to decide what you receive or not, you can just uncheck the box and just go through each of the ones that you don't want and turn them off. So let's say I don't want to receive anything about inspiration and offer. I can click on edit here and simple turn off this feature. And that's it guys. Very easy and very simple.